In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an ElevenLabs invoice. We'll walk through the exact path inside your account, so you can quickly find your billing records whenever you need them. I'll keep the instructions clear and straightforward, and I'll add a few tips to make sure everything is easy to follow. Start on your ElevenLabs homepage, which is the main dashboard you see after signing in. This is where you'll find quick access to your projects and account controls. From here, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon, typically a small avatar or initial inside a circle. Click that icon to open your account menu. In the menu that appears, choose Settings. This takes you to your account settings area where subscription and billing options are managed. Once you're on the settings page, look for the section labeled Manage Subscription. Click Manage Subscription to continue. This will take you to the subscription overview, where your current plan and billing details are summarized. On the subscription page, find the Manage Subscription button on the right-hand side. It's usually highlighted so it's easy to spot. Click that button to open up more detailed controls for your plan and payments. This is the place where you can view the history tied to your billing. Within that management view, select View Invoices. When you click it, you'll be taken to a dedicated page showing your invoice history. Give it a moment to load. Here, you'll see a list of your invoices associated with your billing, typically organized by date with amounts and status clearly visible. Each entry represents a billing cycle or transaction on your account, so you can reference the exact charge you're looking for. This page is designed to make it simple to confirm what you were billed for and when. If the interface looks a little different from what you're seeing here, don't worry. Platforms update from time to time. The key is to follow the same path: profile icon, Settings, Manage Subscription, then the Manage Subscription button on the right, and finally View Invoices. As long as you look for those labels, you'll end up on the correct page, and that's it. You've navigated from the ElevenLabs homepage to your billing area and open the Invoices view. Keep this path in mind the next time you need to review charges for accounting, reimbursement, or personal records. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you find your ElevenLabs invoices quickly and confidently.